What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. We had some pretty good price action later on in the afternoon today. The morning was definitely choppy, what we've been seeing for November so far. And I'm going to be breaking it all down for you guys step by step. So I'm going to show you guys really powerful tool for new traders that want to trade the afternoon, how we can take those setups for really, really powerful gains. All right. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's do some shout outs. Rick Saran, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Francisco, STK, One Story a Day, Briggs, Hater, Greg Steele, Dan, Bill, Corey, Anthony, what's going on, brother? Top Value, A, Jamie, Hearts, Strong, Shin, Trading Wars Army, Ernesto, Frank, Wesley, Q Element, Trading Wars Army, Ghazi, Dr. D, good to see you guys. All right, all right. Hit me with a one. Can you hear me all right? And you guys ready to rock and roll? Kent, Trading Wars Army, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. All right. So let's get into this, guys. We're going to go ahead and hit the replay. I have a really nice, quick lesson for you today, and we're going to discuss everything. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and draw the previous day's high and the previous day's low. All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the Fibonacci lesson. And then from there, we'll come back and we'll talk about the trigger. Okay. So here's our low. Here's our high. So the first 5-minute bar, you can see we're opening inside of the range. Anytime we open inside of the range, I am very, very cautious of taking an opening range breakout. I'm very cautious in general because a lot of the times when you open in the range, you could see that we are trapped within the low and the high, and that could lead to ping pong action, literally where we are going back and forth and we are chopping. Okay. So I did not take an orb. Instead, the first two candles came in right here, guys, and I started off with the morning leg fib from low to high like this. Let me go ahead and put on the basic settings. So here's our low, here's our high, and you're going to see, guys, the morning was very messy. So right after we had that setup, nice little 2 bars, push up, we broke through, and then we came back and pop right back up. So that right away, guys, we've been seeing the same price action for November. Literally has been doing the exact same morning, faking everybody out, chopping everybody out. But the good news is the afternoon giving some direction. So remember, once this high of the day was broken, we went ahead here and we took our fib for the afternoon leg from the low to the high. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's play this out. So we popped up here. So we go ahead, we move our anchor, and we have our 618, and we're going to also add the 786. So today we took both of them because we pulled back pretty deep. So watch this pullback here, guys. We come in right here. Okay, let's pause right there. All right, so let's stop right here. Okay, so honest question, how many of you would be a little bit scared to take that Fibonacci trade right there, especially after dealing with a choppy morning? How many of you would be scared? Hit me with a 1. Would you be scared taking that trade? Hit me with a 2 if not, if you'd be comfortable, right? And that was definitely, I know a lot of people that actually told me that they didn't take the trade because they were just scared, right? And let's go ahead here to the Twitter. And let me just show you guys the power of with the fibs. Literally, if you hit 1 out of 3 trades, you have a good chance of finishing really, really strong. So right here, guys, the 397 calls, this is the 0 DTE. We're at $1.06. Okay, when we came down to that 786, and they went to a high of 315, 200% on the day. So how do we take this trade? Well, we know that the 618 and the 786 can act as hidden support. Okay, and what do? Is we have our stop loss below the swing low here. So let me just fix that anchor right there. So we have our stop loss below the swing low for protection. Okay, so there's our stop loss down there. Let's go ahead and put this in red. So we're using the power of the Fibonacci to get a pullback. What the pullback allows is for us to get a discount. Do you guys think the calls are going to be cheaper here or more expensive? So we pushed up, we had all the sideways, then we had these red candles, red. With that selling, guys, are calls going to be cheaper or are they going to be more expensive? Hit me with a 1 for cheaper, 2 with more expensive. So what the point I'm trying to show you guys here is you're getting a good deal. And when you get a good deal, guys, if you're right on the trade, you can make a lot of money. And that's what we're trying to do as traders. We are trying to take trades that will favorably give us a positive risk to reward where we can make the most money. So we got in here, guys, loaded up on the 618786. We pop right back up here. We even put in this beautiful inside bar. So this beautiful inside bar here was that pause. Okay, so that pause came in right there, and that gave us also confirmation that the 786 was holding, guys. And then boom, you see how beautiful this candle was right here? The algorithm even touched the 786 for a second time. It touched it for a second time, guys, pushed up, came back, watch that. Bam, algo fill, boom. That's what we want to see with Fibonacci. That's how you know we got a good leg, when we have those powerful, powerful reactions. All right, hit me with the 3 if you guys love that. So that was beautiful right there. We came back to the 786. Look at that, guys. Touch that one time and the massive algo spike. So then from there, we were able to take this into a new high right here. Okay, and we were able to lock in some profits here. And again, remember what the goal is. So the goal is for us to get to a new high. Obviously, scaling out on the way. Okay, scaling out on the way. But when we get to a new high, this is when the red lights are going to go off in our head. Okay, when we get into a new highs, that's when the red light goes off in our head, because this is where the rookies will buy in this area. The rookies are going to buy here. This is the red zone. Why? Because of FOMO. Now the rookies are saying, well, the market is going to the moon. Guess what? I missed everything. I'm going to get in. And guess what happens? So the market goes, we trade. Okay, so you can see when we made a new high, we sold off a little bit. Okay, so that's the first trap for the rookies. Then we continue higher. We get to the 272. So remember, I taught you guys about the 272 reversal. Very, very powerful area. Okay, so watch this now. We come to the 272. Watch this pattern right here. Right there. Beautiful. Inside, outside bar. This is the Trading Wars Nirvana pattern. Very, very powerful pattern. It's a part of the books. If you have any one of the books, guys, you get that pattern for life. Okay, so any one of the 3 books right there in the corner. So that's the Nirvana. So we had the Nirvana. This is the final confirmation of this trap, because we had an inside bar. We broke the high and we sold off immediately, guys. And this is what the market does to the rookies. Bam. See that? That is beautiful. Okay, because as a Fibonacci trader, you understand, you get your pullback here, you sell into the new highs, and in the new highs, guys, you could look for the reversal. So what do we like to see with the reversal? We like to see the candlestick confirmation. You could see we had the Nirvana right on the 272, sitting on the 272, waiting, guys. This was A+ setup. Absolutely beautiful, with a very tight risk, because you take the break of the outside bar, you put your stop loss on the high, and it never looked back. So absolutely stunning trade. Hit me with a 10 if that was nice, guys. Did you guys enjoy that? That was beautiful. So right here on our Fibonacci live setups, just want to show you guys that we draw the afternoon leg live in real time. We also had our reversal zone. We had that drawn up there, that 272. And we had our earlier fibs in the morning, which unfortunately were losers. So the morning was choppy. I've been seeing that for all of November. And don't get discouraged. Just keep following the system. Keep following the rules. Keep following the fibs. You just need to hit 1 or 2 of them, guys, and it's going to make you some good money. Okay. So really, really nice. This is an A+. So I'm actually working on my new 272 reversal strategy. I am working on that strategy, and I'm going to release something on it. Maybe a video, maybe an ebook, maybe a guide. I don't know what I'm going to do, but go ahead and guys, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to trade reversals. Let's just do a quick vote. How many of you are reversal traders? So for example, you want to fade the market. You want to do the opposite, right? How many of you guys do that? So you wait for new highs and then you short it. You short. Hit me with a 1. Are you the type of trader that does that? Or hit me with a 2. Are you the type of trader that likes to buy the breakout? Which one are you? Okay. And what I want to teach you guys here is the fundamental of trapping traders. When you can identify that there are rookies trapped in the market, that's when we have these powerful sell-offs. This sell-off here is nothing but rookies getting trapped. I'll show you why again. The algorithm buys on the pullback where we bought. The algorithm, we bought on the 618. We bought on the 786. The algorithm is very cheap. It wants the best deal. So it buys on the pullback and it sells on the extension. Okay. So we made a new high, sold on the extension. Okay. We made another high, sold on the extension. But while they're selling to who? They're selling to the retail. Okay. So they're selling to the retail. and the retail is purchasing and purchasing. And then when we start to lose power, now they start to panic. Stop loss hit, stop loss hit, stop loss hit, panic mode, boom, flush right into the close. Okay, hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. All right, so I will say, guys, just gotta hang in there. Sometimes the morning is choppy. It is choppy sometimes in the morning, guys, and you just need to battle it out. Keep the size smaller in the morning, and just wait, guys. Just wait for the setups and let them play out. Let this mathematics play out, okay? And so I just wanted to show you the trigger. So the trigger was 398.78, and this is the same pattern we've been seeing for the whole month of November. Literally, guys, here is our trigger. So you can see the first attempt does not break, the second attempt does not break. Finally, on the third attempt, we break. So that's something that we just need to be aware of, that you need to have wide stops, or you need to maybe wait for the second or the third break. That's something I'll be looking for. But there was our long trigger, and the third time we broke through the ceiling. So there's been a lot of this back and forth chop. And let's go ahead. Let's look at the futures market. Let's look after hours. Okay. So what I want to show you right now. So the market is trending up a little bit right now. But what I really want to show you guys is the hourly chart. Let's go ahead here and let's look at where the market opened. Okay. So the market opened on Sunday, right here, the 13th. We had a slight gap down and we filled the gap. And this is something I really want to spend some time teaching you guys. Look at this. This was last week's high right there. So that was last week's high. And as soon as we broke last week high, again, this is your typical trap the retail trade, the breakout here, okay? And the retail buys the breakout and then the institution sells, right? So that's your typical false breakout. This pattern, I'm watching it extremely closely because this has the potential to be the high of the week. So for anybody that wants to go puts, anybody that's looking for that, this is the level that must hold. Okay, so this level right here, so this high, 401750, guys. Do you guys know what this pattern is? 401750, 401750. These candles have the exact same high. This is what we call a tweezer top. Very powerful, rare candlestick pattern. Imagine this, guys. Both of these candles on the hourly chart have the exact same high. So the market went to 401750 twice, and as soon as it touched it, it just reversed both times. So that is the line in the sand. If the bulls want to reclaim and take over this week, they have to break through that. So anybody looking for pivots, shorts into the week, that is your line in the sand. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So as you guys know, we will be expanding a lot of our trading into the new year on overnight futures, trying to help a lot of people that can't trade the regular hours. So people in Singapore, people in the UK, different people, Germany that I've been working with, a lot of people I've mentored over the years. We are looking to build a very powerful strategy for overnight futures. Okay. All right. So there we go, guys. I just really wanted to bring that up. I think that's a great look for us. Let's just go ahead and keep an eye on that. Let's go ahead and see what we have set up for tomorrow. So for blue raindrop, so right now I'm just going to run the scan on Trendspider. I'll also post the picks on Twitter. In a second, I'll post the free picks coming up also in the Discord. So let's see what we have right here. So I think I've been lagging just a little bit here. So it might take a little bit of time. UPS, kind of like a sleeper pick. So what I like about UPS here is there's a gap to fill right above, and it's been pretty extended. You could see it's been pretty extended for 4 days in a row with this push up. So UPS, nice little setup we will be looking for tomorrow with UPS. Any other blue raindrop? Nope. So nothing else that really stands out to me. I have some other scans that I ran and I'm going to post them on the Twitter right after this. All right, guys. So I really want to thank you very much for giving me your time today. I've been a little bit under the weather, but I think I'm bouncing back. So thank you very much for dealing with the coughing and all that stuff during the stream. I very much appreciate your time, guys. So what we're going to do here is we're going to wrap it up. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com if you guys are interested, right? You can go ahead here and get the book and get 1 month for free in the Discord. 30 days, and you get the indicators for life, guys. So you get the Nirvana and the golden indicator for life. 30 days in the Discord. Pretty good deal, guys. Pretty sweet deal, to be honest. I haven't raised my prices. I've seen a lot of people raising their prices lately, but I don't feel the need to do that. I just want to get the knowledge out there to the people. Or you can sign up right here on the main page right there. All right, guys. Um, as always, leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking about the futures. You think that's a good challenge for us to do? What else are you thinking about, guys? Let me know what you think about this reversal strategy. I'm planning to reveal the back testing and everything on this reversal strategy. Let's see if we can get some support with some comments and some likes. All right. Thank you again. And I really hope that the morning sessions start to clear up. But that being said, my friends, there's still so many opportunities to make money. So just stay positive and follow the plays, guys. Follow the risk to reward. That is the way you're going to make the most money. All right. Tradingwars.com. As I said, thank you very much. Take care.